This video features stunts performed in controlled environments, either by trained professionals or under the supervision of trained professionals. Do not attempt to duplicate, recreate, or perform the same or similar stunts.
Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Rock!
And I'm Lulu!
And we're here at the racetrack for the biggest battle of them all, Oonies versus dirt bikes!
Let's meet a racer!
This is our expert stunt rider, Mike. Mike, tell us a little bit about your experience.
Oh, well, I can't wait to do some motorcycle riding for you guys. I've been riding dirt bikes since I was like 10 years old. And yeah, it'll be fun to ride the track and jump into some Oonies.
Well, I know Lulu and I are super excited to watch you jump. You're about to jump into about 10,000 Oonies, pop them, do whatever it is that's gonna happen, and we're super excited to watch. So let's do it! Oh my gosh! Yeah, go, go, go! Boom! All right, Mike. Thanks for helping us out with that. That was so much fun. I'm Rock.
And I'm Lulu.
And I'm Dirt Bike Mike.
And we'll see you all soon. See ya!